Hello everyone, welcome to the Bold BI 10.1 release highlights video. Here we will explore the latest enhancements and features designed to improve your analytics experience. From powerful AI capabilities to enhanced embedding options, let's take a look. Let's start with the server enhancements. First, we can now set a default dashboard for the user login page. Users can automatically view the default dashboard upon login. To enable this, open the Settings page and navigate to the Dashboard section. In the Dashboard settings, select a dashboard to be the default. Save your changes and sign out. On signing back into your Bold BI account, the selected dashboard will open automatically. Next, we have introduced a default group for new users. When a new user is added, they are automatically assigned to this group and thus can inherit essential permissions granted to the group. This streamlines access management. To configure this, go to the Settings page. Open the Account section. Select the default group and save the changes. Then add a new user by filling in the necessary fields. The newly added user will automatically be assigned to the default group and inherit its permissions. Third, users can now add comments when publishing dashboard versions to provide tracking and context. We have added a comments section on the Dashboard Publish page. To use it, you add the necessary comments here, and then publish the dashboard. Once done, go to the Dashboard homepage. Open the version history, and you can see the added comments. Fourth, you can now schedule the simultaneous export of multiple widgets, optimizing export time. First, create a schedule and select the dashboard category and name. Previously, you could select only one widget. Now you can select as many widgets as you like. Fill in the necessary fields and schedule it. You will receive all the widget images via email. Next, let's move on to the designer enhancements. We now provide support for dashboard options in the link property of the button widget. They allow you to navigate from one dashboard to another while automatically carrying over the selected filters, ensuring a seamless data exploration experience. As an example, first, link two child dashboards to a main dashboard using button widgets. View the main dashboard and change the country filter value. Then click the button widget to render the linked child dashboard. You can see that it's filtered for the country value we selected in the main dashboard. Next, we have introduced multi-row selection support for the grid widget. When you enable multi-row selection, checkboxes are added to the column in the grid. They allow you to select specific rows and trigger actions such as filtering, linking, and viewing underlying data based on those selections. Now we introduce the Persist Virtual Selection Filter property. You can now clear virtually selected filter values and refine your dashboard view in the combo box. To use this feature, disable the Persist Virtual Selection property in the combo box and preview it. Select the values in combo boxes 1 and 2. Then open the Filters overview. The selected values will be listed in the filter. Next, deselect a value in combo box 1. It will automatically filter the options in combo box 2. See, only the selected values will be displayed in the filter overview. Next, let's talk about the data source and data hub enhancements of this release. We have expanded data source support by introducing a new Apache Doris connector for dashboards. On the data source page, select the Apache Doris connector. Fill in the necessary fields and connect it. Next, drag the required table into the query designer. Design a dashboard and assign a field to the grid widget. Finally, the dashboard is created and data is retrieved from the Apache Doris database. We have extended SSH support for MongoDB and MySQL connectors in the Bold Data Hub warehouse. You can use these connectors to extract data from these sources. Now, let's move on to embedding enhancements. First, you can allow anonymous users to embed the dashboard through group permissions. In the UMS site settings, under the Accounts page, enable the Enable System User property. And add permissions for the group to read, write, and delete all dashboards at the site level. The dashboard can now be embedded in an application by anonymous users, without the need for a Bold BI account. We have introduced a new API to show or hide the summary icon on widgets in iframe embedding. To use it in iframe embedding, set the values Enable AI Assistant and Enable AI Summary API. And then view the dashboard. The AI Summarize icon will appear on each widget. Finally, let's see our AI enhancements. First, we have introduced AI features within the on-premises environment, allowing you to use OpenAI or Azure OpenAI with your own credentials. To enable this feature, open the UMS Site Settings page. Select the AI option and enable AI. Then choose either OpenAI or Azure AI. For this example, I am selecting Azure AI, filling in the necessary fields, and saving the changes to integrate AI into my on-premises environment. Next, we have introduced AI dashboard summaries, allowing users to understand the gist of a dashboard quickly without personal analysis. AI generates summaries based on processed data. The new AI-powered widget insights allow users to receive a text analysis, writing out the trends, forecasts, and recommendations the AI gets from the data visualizations. Next is our new AI agent query responses support. It provides text answers to user input, with visualizations included only when necessary to reduce analysis time. For example, when you enter a query in the prompt, the AI provides a direct answer immediately, without visualizations. Finally, we have data source-based AI query support in the AI module. You can select a specific data source in the prompt. Enter your query, and the AI will retrieve data from that data source, displaying the visualization. In this video, we have covered the major highlights of the Bold BI version 10.1 release. Documentation links for the release highlights are provided in the video description. You can download the latest version of Bold BI from your account page. If you're not a Bold BI user yet, we have provided a link in the video description where you can sign up for a free 30-day trial. Thanks for watching.